What's up, family? Y'all know what time it is. It's another How to Style. Yes, sir. Today is on the Huff Nike SB Nike Dunks. SB Nike. I hope I said that right. Yankee colorway. When you buy the sneaker, you don't know what colorway you're gonna get. Yankees, San Francisco, mystery. Aaron Judge is going to one of those. Even the mystery. Over the years, I acquired a whole bunch of Yankee gear. I've gotten rid of them. They haven't been to the World Series in a long time. Plus, a lot of Yankee gear has not been coming out. I think the last Yankee kind of colorway we got was the Jeter 11 Lows. And that was a while ago, guys. But we're going to put together some fire to match this sneaker. Hit the B-roll. Got to start with Yankees. Yes, sir. This is the New York Yankees World Series Championship 1996. And was that the last time? Nah, we had to win in the 2000s. But yeah, I like this Michelin S tee because it has that creamy vintage look, just like the sneaker. Gives you that vintage t-shirt look. Of course, you got your blue from the Yankees. A little bit of more gold and give you that vintage look. Classic Yankees logo. This is Michelin Ness, but I got this from PacSun for $38. But if you want to pause the video, go to PacSun right now. They got a crazy sale, 30% off, 40% off. You might get this for maybe around $25. But it is Cooperstown. It is Michelin Ness. Got it from PacSun. Think it's a dope look. These paisley print Chinatown Market shorts is a go for me. They not called Chinatown Market no more. That's what makes it more vintage. They just called the Market. But it has that blue paisley look. Gives me New York vibes. Along with some black. And it's in vintage bandana. It's in that new bandana look. It's in that vintage bandana look. Material's great. Chinatown Market prints everywhere on the shorts. And it matches. Go to the Market. You still can find these. Not these ones, but something similar in that same colorway. It's just going to read the Market, though. It's not going to read Chinatown. This one right here, we switching teams a little bit, but we stay in New York. And I haven't showed this on video yet. Kind of forgot I had it. But Kith always does something with the New York Knicks. And this right here is the Kith Vintage New York City tee. Now, the orange is kind of off, but everyone knows that's a New York sneaker. This is a New York team, a New York shirt. Kith always uses that charcoal vintage black in their Monday programs, giving you that vintage on top of vintage with the sneakers. Kith logo. There you go. New York City silhouette, the same one you can find behind that sneaker. And shout out and RIP to Keith Huffingale, the owner of Huff, who passed away, and that's what that sneaker memorialized, besides just New York. This cost me $75. I don't know if it's sold out on Kith, guys, but I know if you go to third party, StockX has it, probably a little $20 difference. And it is the holiday season. This ugly sweater, polo, Christmas sweater matches perfect. Perfect with the Huff New York City Nike SB joints, man. Like, got the cream in it, the blue in it, the white in it. Super dope look, man. Let's look at the classic vintage OG snowflake buttons on the side. Super dope. I got this from Nordstrom's. A little pricey, guys. A little pricey. You know when Polo get in a cashmere bag, it's a little pricey. Maybe like $150. But you can find something this similar from Polo also. Going back to the tees, the Cactus Jack Astronomical tee is just simply black with the blue, the New York Yankee blue inside the sneaker. You turn it to the back, it gets a little busy. You got that same blue with everything there, Fortnite, Astro, Cactus Jack, whole bunch of logos. Then you got that gray and the Astronomical. As you know, the swoosh on the SBs is gray and just a big skin of Travis Scott. But every color is present and it's a good match. Third party also. Supreme Marty. One of my favorite Supreme tees to date. We probably know why. But yeah, man, just a regular black tee, but it has like that grayish look in the photo. I like the colorway. Not a dead-on match, but definitely can rock together. Another tee that's not a spot-on match, but the blend together is dope. I guess it's just the New York swag. Is the Mary J. Blige photo tee from Supreme. You know Mary J. Blige is from New York. So you got a black vintage photo of her from her first album, I believe, with her autograph for Supreme. The blue doesn't match, but it does not give it away. Like, it still can go together. The photo tees sometimes get expensive, sometimes around $100. There's no way possible we could do a hotter style without just a Yankee fitted. This one here is not regular though. This one is from Kith, I believe 20 or 10 year anniversary. And they made like 50 of these, all talking about the Yankees World Series wins. So this one here is 1998. Dope logo there. Yankees. Gray brim. Match the swoosh. And you get a nice Kith joint there. Come on, man. Super dope. I seen these on StockX, but price vary. They vary from 60 to like 160. Switching teams again, but one of my favorite teams, the Dallas Cowboys joint. You got the gray overall of the hat to match the swoosh. Mitchell & Ness logo's blue. Brim is blue. Blue Dallas star speaks for itself. What's this? The Pro Bowl patch. I even got the tag there. MichelinNess.com. Maybe $55, but they got a crazy steal right now too. Supreme Camper hat. Dope blue. Get a Supreme box logo. Got the holes there. Your hat won't be all, your head won't be all sweaty. Strap back. About $60 on Go and StockX. And if you just want to go all gray, just to rock the swoosh, you know that gray and that Yankee blue is a perfect combination. The Rock Nation paper plane hat. Dope look. About $50 everywhere. Hat Club, RockNation.com, all the above. Nike gray sweats. Y'all see how this reflects, like it changes color? I like that. But I went with gray because it matches and brings out the swoosh more on the sneaker, which is dope. And I went with these sweatpants because you get a vibrant gray with like a crazy color swoosh on the front. And when you get to the bottom or the back, it changes material. So you can see that material here is not the same there. So I like that. I could have went with the Essential Sweats, Heather Gray, Old Light. That's definitely a look too. But with Nike, you know the color codes are always going to match. Nice elastic band. And Nike has a crazy sale right now besides the cyber joint going on. So you get these for less than $30. Yes, sir. So that's been a quick how to style on the New York Yankees Huff Nike SBs. Dope sneaker, man. I probably get the San Francisco's in hand and do a how to style on those too. If you need help finding anything, hit me up, holla at me. I'm your boy Sneaker. Everybody, get rich.